Have you heard of the term hard and soft skills? What do they represent? What are hard skills? What are soft skills? And how do they affect a project manager? Which one does a project manager need to have? Here are 5 examples each of hard and soft skills you need to succeed as a project manager. What are hard skills? Hard skills are technical and process-related skills. These are skills that can be taught. These are skills that are measurable, and they are related to project planning, execution, and control. The first one is project planning and scheduling. You need to plan your project and you need to schedule it properly. The second is budgeting and cost control. Very, very important. No organization has unlimited resources, so you need to control the budget and cost. The next is risk management. Risk management is another hard skill. You need to sit down, identify risk, you need to assess the risk, you need to design your mitigating factors, you need to monitor risk as the project goes on so that they do not derail the project. The next thing is scope management. We need to define what is the scope and how do we manage it. We'll be talking about scope in another video. Lastly, we need to look at quality management. It's very important that we deliver projects according to the defined standards and according to the stakeholder expectation. Now, what are soft skills? Soft skills are interpersonal and leadership abilities. These are very human and they are very critical to influencing people, building trust, and leading teams. They are often more important than hard skills. The hard skills are the ones the AI can replicate. The first of such skills is leadership and motivation. I've said it over and over, project management is all about leadership and motivation. You need to inspire your team. You need to align them to the project goals and the objectives, and you need to resolve conflicts. The next thing is communication. It's very important. You need to be clear, you need to be concise, you need to be persuasive in both your verbal and written communication to your team and to your stakeholders. The next one is emotional intelligence. You need to be self-aware. You need to show empathy. You need to have social skills for handling diverse teams and stress. Your project might take you to other places and other cultures. You need to understand and be aware of how things are done in those places. Next thing is negotiation and conflict resolution. Very, very important. In the course of a project, we need to settle disputes fairly. We need to negotiate timelines and resources, and we need to maintain win-win outcomes so that the project doesn't get derailed. Lastly, we need to look at problem solving and critical thinking. It's a soft skill. It's very, very important. You need to evaluate the options that are available to you. You need to properly assess risk. As a project manager, you need to take timely decisions that will lead to the success of your project. My name is Sunday Yahaya, and I'm a PMI certified project management professional. Welcome to this channel where we discuss all things project management. We will be having our online training on project management very soon, and this training is going to be free for as many people that subscribe. So please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave your comments in the comment section as well as your questions so that we can attend to them in subsequent videos. Thank you very much.